Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change 2015 Audi A4 headlight bulb. Start by parking safely and disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Open the hood and locate the headlight access panel, removing clips or screws as needed. Unplug the connector and twist out the old bulb, then install the new bulb by aligning tabs and securing the connector. Replace the panel and test the beam before driving. Gather your tools and parts before you begin to make the swap smooth and safe. Keep the car off and cool, and wear gloves to avoid oil on the bulb. Use a screwdriver and possibly a trim tool to access the lamp housing. Verify the replacement bulb matches H7 or your owner's manual specification and avoid touching glass. Have a soft cloth ready to handle the bulb and a flashlight to inspect connections. Expect the job to take about 20 minutes per side. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical guides. Quick recommendation: the book The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money and saving for car maintenance. It pairs nicely with budgeting for parts like bulbs, tools, or unexpected repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals and consider supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Start by turning the steering wheel away from the side you're working on for better access. Remove the headlight access cover, then unplug and carefully remove the old bulb by turning counterclockwise. Fit the new bulb without touching the glass, seat it properly, reconnect the wiring, and replace the access cover. Reconnect the battery and test the headlight alignment on a wall or garage door, adjusting as needed. Also check both beams for consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.